Where did you get this? I think my little thing, the thing that stops me from choking, the little tap doesn't work. This looks like it really works.
Do you want me to put that up for you?
No, I want you to film if you can.
Oh, sure.
Can you film?
Oh, absolutely.
That'd be great.
Here, I'll walk forward and oh, there you go. Good job. Get up there. There you go. Nice.
And so then I'll just do quick start.
Okay.
So all you have to do is push quick start and then here to film. So essentially that turns it on and then regular.
Great.
So Craig, the latest thing is
Nice. Oh, good job, Lori.